Hey folks, time for another bus hack. We're doing a headliner. Let's check it out. Here's the stuff I have. It's tar, super thin, and aluminum sheet on the outside. So I'm gonna cut small 4-inch strips, start on the outside, see how this stuff lays down for me. I have no clue. I was told it was very sticky. Once you stick it on there, you're not getting it off. I don't mind overlaying it. I have a couple rolls of this stuff. And then once I get that on there, I have some foam that is also sticky. I'm gonna foam the roof. Then we can start putting in the wood and then cut some paneling, stick the paneling in, call it a day. Welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. Larry here. I wipe down the whole roof. So I'm just gonna mark off a couple lines here just with the floor. Ruler, Sharpie. All right, I'm just gonna see how close of a cut they gave me. They gave me a pretty dang good cut. So we're just gonna come over here, right to this line. I'll also take all day if I do it like this. There we go. Hey, somebody come here and just cut for me. I'll stick for one roll, you stick for the second roll. So you cut, then I cut. These scissors are not the best for this. These scissors are the best for this. All right, go do a pre-fit, see what we got. I'm gonna lower that door too. Lori plus Walt, male and female symbol, and love. That is love. Doesn't matter who you are. This bus will tell you that. These hinges are awfully close, so I can run the sound in there. They give me a roller. Let's see what I got over here. They gave me a roller. Fancy blade. Look at this. It says something on here, but attention, this causes health issues, but only in the state of California. Is that a crock of crap? Got the sticker removed, but it's all over me. Hopefully the color's good. That roof's hot already, so this, in a way, I want to use it. Just want to roll it on there. How's that? Stick it on the floor. What do you think of that? Like something like that. Stick that. Grab that piece I folded. Oh, it ripped. Oh, it unripped. Let's see what we got here, folks. Old stir stick from probably 1970s. The partition cab divider insert. Don't go over that. Right. Come over and take a look. Oh, it sounds better already. Hello? I think this is gonna be an all-day job, folks. Let's see, this is stuff you can't do in the wintertime. There's some days where it doesn't get over 30 degrees here. I've been here where like 7 days straight it didn't get over 20 degrees. So we have to do that now. It's the first full day of fall. Okay, let me get on it. Time delayed? Maybe, let's try it. There's a little added bonus in this one. Something special. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Since I know how to check the box now, you'll get notified. You know me and my silly temperature gauge. You could tell both parts in the sun. So I want to say 147, 104. Just to show that's 147 outside, it's 133, 129 here. So this even makes it cooler outside. That's wild. 30-degree difference. All right, folks. Look at this. I got the wood bows in, fished out the dome light wire, put these in so the headliner could be cut out and still attached to something, so it's just not flopping around here. So that's all nice and sturdy. Had to do the same up there. These are all in. I have some more soundproofing. This, I can barely touch this, it's so hot. I think it's 105 outside. We should do a temperature check. Temp check, temp check. It is partly cloudy, 105. Okay, this says 100, see the little red light, 107. Over here, 145. 103 there, 105, 145. Huge, huge difference. Yeah, 102 back there. Can't see it, there we go. 99, 104 in the shade. So 5-degree difference on the shady side, 40-degree difference in the sun. Well, anyways, there we go. I still have the lick and stick foam to put in here in between each rib. Right now, I'm playing with the paneling. This was 5x5 sheets I picked up. There's bunches of them. Not the best by any means. For I think 10 or 12 sheets, I paid $50. It is a budget. I just want to have it a little warmer this winter and maybe a little cooler next summer or this fall. All right, folks, back to work. Here's a look at the next layer. I have a little hanging off the table. Put one piece in. It's only 40 wide, so it's gonna take a few. They actually had this already cut and it fit in there perfect, so I got lucky. You can see that should add. This stuff keep the noise down and keep from burning the foam up, which my test yesterday, I may have some trouble with the foam because it was still super hot inside. This fits right up here. The ceiling will fit in here nice. I just have to cut and add in all the pieces. So let me finish all these, see what I have left over. So let's get it going. All right, folks, check it out. It's hot today. 150 on top of the roof. That's Fahrenheit. 135, 144 on the floor. Hey, you kneel on the floor, you burn yourself. Okay, inside of the roof. 147, 105. Think this is going to work. But once I put the roof panel in, these worked out good. So we're all set. Let's get on these panels. I have my measurements. What I'll do is, but I'll put these on my webpage, this illustration, and this will work for 55, I guess March of 55 to 67, July of 67. Buses, all split window buses except for barn doors. I'll give you the measurements of the headliner. Cross members, these were bought from Clara on the Samba. I'll put her link in the description. Real nice. She gives you these little crossboards. They actually go down into the gutter, not above. I put them in above first and they just were too wobbly. So I figured it out the hard way. I dropped them down. I did a test fit on the rear panel. It worked perfect. So let me cut up the front one and get that on. I think I did mention that I left a gap up front for the cab divider if I ever want to use that in the winter, and you'll be really nice and toasty up front. Anyways, let's get the show on the road. That's finally done. Time's a-clicking. Oh yeah, this is the mess for today. Took a piece of aluminum flat, cut it in half, and made this to hold up the headliner. And what I'll do is I'll come in here and polish it like the dome light. I had screws in here for that last outing, but I'll polish these up. That'll clean it up. Still got to do the headbanger. Should get a new one of these. I think that's an early one. It's not much good. It works. All right, folks, let me get back on it. Today, I'm working on a headbanger for my headliner. Good old Makita. Cut me a piece of angle. Gonna put it across where the blue tape is. Screw it into the channel here. Put a piece of paneling on the face. Put a little piece of paneling on the bottom. Easy to upgrade down the road. So I just want to get the foundation in. Hard to make the curved piece in the back, so I'm just gonna hide that by having a headbanger. So this will wrap up the headliner portion, starting with the template. Pretty good. Not perfect, but hopefully the saw blade on the piece of wood will make it perfect, because I'll never be able to make it perfect. All right, let's get on it. That's done. Now I need to make the inner. So all I have to do is make this panel, measure it out, cut around this. My little headbanger doesn't get more simpler than that. This gets screwed into the side of the bus. This one gets screwed into the side of the bus. And we're ready to go. Let's get it in there. Excuse the mess. Woohoo! Yeah. You can still see a little bit of sanding it needs. That piece turned out good. This side might not be in all the way. Yeah, it's actually touching right there. We'll clean that up. We'll back it out a little bit. This looks all good. So I gotta weld up a few holes and paint it white. I'm gonna have it matched, painted to that. This still needs to be clear coated. I did a matte clear coat on that one already. This panel is gonna be replaced. I have a real nice one. That's it for the roof. Little bit of fine tuning down the road. But for right now, that's it. Work on that edge a little bit so it sits inside. And I would do it today, but I gotta get ready to go on a road trip. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.